Welcome back today. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Malta trap beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm your best teacher who teach you how to make beats online. I'm going to be making Malta trap beat today. That's a beat. It's a country. Malta is a country. So I'm going to launch my FS Studio properly. Start making the beat. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to launch my FS Studio properly. So I'm just going to put my cursor like this. I'm going to put my cursor like this. Right click, then click on open to wait a little bit. Now I've launched my FS Studio. As you can see, my FS Studio has opened. I'm going to pick my favorite plugin and start programming my Malta trap beat. So the next step is I'm going to click on add. Then I'm going to pick this plugin called same send. After that, I'll put my cursor on top of this empty space, left click and hold it. When I left click, I'll just hold it while my mouse is on top of the empty space here. I'll then left click and hold it. This my cursor here is shaking like this. I'll just put my cursor here like this, left click and hold it. Just turn the mouse wheels up channel 5. That is I've routed it channel 5. Even when you go to my mixer, it's here, which you can mix by using the slot here. So let's go back to our channel rack here. I'll click here, then I'll click here on plugin options, click on preset. Now I'm going to pick this one called piano 2. That is piano 2. I'll put my cursor here on top of this space, right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. As you can see, this is my mouse, this is my piano roll like this, which is the program piano roll inside my FS Studio, which I can play like this. So I'll start to program my Malta trap beats now. As you can see, I've programmed the first two bars pattern of my Malta trap beat. I'm going to click on this select here, highlight it to the left, which can see press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's it. I've reached this bar number 8. This is it. I've reached this bar number 8. This is my Malta first trap beat that I've programmed, which I've reached this bar number 8. The next step is I'm going to click on my channel rack here. This is my channel rack. I'm going to click on add, click on boot bars. After that, I'll put my cursor here on top of the empty space, left click and hold my left click button, turn the mouse wheel to channel 6, then put my cursor on top of these boot bars, right click, then click on piano roll. I'll start to program the Malta trap beat now. Let's go. Now the next step is we are going to program the hi-hat. Now as you can see, I've already programmed the second melody. This is my second melody, which is my bull bars. So this is my channel rack. I'm going to put my cursor on top of this channel 3 here, right click. That is, I'll right click my mouse, then click on my piano roll. I'll start to program my snare now. I mean my hi-hat. I'll start to program my hi-hat now, which I'll just program with 1, 2 bars, then press Ctrl and A, copy it to bars number 8. I'll just continue. I'll just continue. I'll just continue. Good. Now I've created my first 2 bars. I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. After that, I'm just going to create a bounce like this. Wait, let me explain how to create the bounce. Let me explain how to create the bounce. Make sure you listen. Make sure you use these tools. I'll just come here. I'll bring my cursor right up here. Just click here, slice, then come here, left click and hold it. Just drag the line a little bit. Create a bounce here. Put my cursor here, left click and hold it, then drag the mouse right down. Put my cursor here, left click and drag the bounce. The next step is just listen. That's good. The next step is we'll start to create a snare now. Okay, channel 4. I'll put my cursor here, right click, then click on piano roll. First of all, at the starting of 1, I've put my snare here. At the ending of 2, I'll be putting my snare. At the ending of 3, 4, at the ending 5, 6, 7, 8. Then another bounce like this. Another bounce like this. Make sure you try this bounce. Then another bounce like this. Note the way I'm putting my bounce on the snare. Note the way I'm creating some bounce here, some bounce here, some bounce here. That's very amazing. Make sure you do it this way. Good. This is our channel rack here. This is a channel rack. So this is a kick. I'm about to program my kick now. So at the top left corner, you can scroll and pick the option. These are many kicks. These are different kicks. But I'm going to pick this one. Make sure you use this left corner of your FS Studio to select some tools like snare, to change the snare, percussions, all those tools. I'm going to left click and hold my left click button on my kick, drag it to channel 1, right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'll start to program my kick now, like this. This is how I'm program my kick, like this. I'm programming my kick. Make sure you know the way I'm programming my kick without playing a beat. That's it. Good. I'll click here. I'll click on channel 1 on my kick. Click on this bow knob. Turn the bow knob right up. Good. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. First of all, turn down the 6, which is my bull bars. Bring down a little bit of the piano. Then on slot 1, I'll click on slot 1. Add a Fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2. Add a Fruity soft clipper. Bring it down a little bit. I'll click on slot 3. Add a Fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 4 and add a Fruity squeeze. Then bring the mix level a little bit to mix level 1%. I'll click on slot 5. Add an effector. Then turn down the mix level a little bit to channel 1. I'll click on slot 6. Add a pitcher. Turn down the mix level to mix level 1%. Then on channel 3, I'll turn up my channel 3, which is my hi-hat. Click on slot 1. I'll click on slot 1. Add a sound goodnizer. Click on slot 2 and add a Fruity soft clipper. turn down the mix level on channel 4, which is my snare. All of my channels has been routed. This is it. On channel 4 is my snare, so on my mixer here it will be on my snare. This is how you mix it. I'm going to click on slot 1, add a sound womanizer, turn the mix level to mix level 1%. I'll click on slot 2 and add a fruity soft clipper. I'll turn down the mix level to mix level 1% on slot 3. Then click here and add a fruity limiter. Good. On my kick today, I'll add a fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity soft clipper. That's it. Good. So on 6 and 5, I'll just put my cursor, make sure I'll just swap the melody to take to play left and right channel of your speaker like this to the end on each channel. And then I'll just reverse the polarities like this on each of the channels and reversing the polarities like this. Good. It's time now to arrange a bit on our playlist. It's time to arrange a bit now. On view playlist, where I've written part 1 here, I'll put my cursor here on top of this part 1. Then I will right click on my mouse, then click on split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed has appeared on the top left corner on our FS0. Then I'm going to switch the mode from pattern to song. This is it, from pattern to song. So I'll switch the mode to song so that it will play the playlist. It will play only the playlist. Switching your mode pattern 1, switch it to song so that it will play the playlist. So I'm going to click on kick, click back my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click back my playlist, click on my snare, click back my playlist, click back my piano roll, click back my playlist, click on my last melody, click back my playlist. After that, I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B. That's it. I'll press Ctrl and B to extend my beat. After that, I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to create space for my intro. Now, I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B. Press Ctrl and B. After that, I'll click on my piano roll. I'll first of all click on draw, click on my piano roll, extend it to my outro, click on my last melody, extend it to my outro, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. After that, on channel 3, I will right click, then click on create automation clip. On channel 4, I'll put my cursor like this, right click, then create automation clip. Just click on create automation clip. After that, I'll go back to my playlist. This is my playlist. I will click on my hi-hat, spices a little bit at the ending point of my intro, and here at the starting point of my outro. Now let's listen to the Malta trap from the start to the end, and see you tomorrow in another video. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Malta Chabit. See you tomorrow in another video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.